My dad is here watching the storms with me. There's some strong winds coming in. This way. Once there start being lightning above us, we probably should go into the porch, right? Yeah, it's all dust getting kicked up. Oh, here we go. Starting to rain. Oh! Oh!
I'm going back in.
Okay. Yeah, guys, quick page is going. Look at this, guys. We're just getting through some warning, but yeah, it's pretty bad. Definitely don't go outside if you're ever in the city of Oklahoma. Do not do what I'm doing. I'm just showing you some footage.